up, Booger Beans? Welcome back to another Adventures with Boog, your weekly source for canoeing, fishing, and camping. I'm Tanner.
I'm Sydney, and Booger's beside me.
I'm Sean.
I'm Corey.
I'm also Sydney.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Brandon.
Grandpa.
Maddie.
And tonight we're making lightning. Well, eclairs, but that translates to lightning in French
It does.
to
It's
English,
so weird.
which is really weird. All right, so tonight we are making eclairs, and we are taking biscuit dough, no name brand. Actually, it's
Pillsbury.
non-spawn. And we're taking that, and we are going to put it like a sock over the end of this stick, and then we will cook it over the fire. And when we take it off the fire, we'll remove the sock off the stick, and then stuff it with berries.
We might cream it.
We'll cream it. We will put cream in the sock. It will be a creamy sock. Might be dripping too. This is gonna be so bad. I'm so excited.
All right, let's get started.
Alright, let's get cooking. Alright,
There's booger hairs on this.
so for whatever you need for this, what do we need ingredients?
Pillsbury biscuits.
Spam spray.
And a stick.
And whatever stuffing you would like. Whipped topping that is non-spawn. And maybe
Real whipped cream!
maybe some jam or like some chocolate, some fluffernutter.
Let's just flop.
Oh, maybe peanut butter and fluffernutter. And maybe some. Actually, this could even be savory. You put bacon and cheese in this bad boy, that'd be
Oh,
good.
that was danger.
Woo! Roker, it's a mess.
Just threw a compressed gas over top of a fire pit.
And missed.
It's great.
All right,
Great.
so now you're gonna take your spam spray and you're gonna spray your stick. Be careful with aerosol accelerants near the fire. Okay, now you can stuff the sock.
I don't know what to do.
Actually, this will be B-roll. Yeah, just like that, just like a condom.
You
Love
got it.
this comment.
It's going. Well, you got it.
Comment below if you've ever done this before. You want to really try and squish it thin and really push it onto the stick.
Mine feels like it's gonna fall off. It's not sticking to the stick. Yours is stuck to the stick. Because we put oil on it, it's not gonna work.
It's okay.
Okay.
We never put the oil on it before.
That's my point.
Just really squeeze her.
Okay.
Nice.
Once you start to cook it, it'll be fine.
It won't. Perfect. It can't fall off because it's not like a marshmallow. Like a marshmallow will spin and then cut through it, but the dough won't cut through a big stick.
Yeah.
So it will be okay as long as you don't put it this way.
I was going to.
You were just gonna put it this way.
Yeah.
There it is. Now it's ready to go onto
Nailed
the
it.
fire. Alright, Booger Beans. Now we are gonna take. You can do it.
I wanted to do it.
Okay, take that. Oh, it's perfect. It's freaking
Clean.
perfect. Clean? That is steamy bad boy.
Yummy.
Now we're gonna stuff it with cream.
So warm. Oh, what?
Oh, yes.
You went a little overboard there.
You want the first bite, babe?
Yeah.
Ladies first. It's freaking tasty.
It's so good.
That's really good, Booger Beans. A bite.
That one's better than mine.
Deal with it. So deal with it. Alright. Thanks for watching, Booger Beans. Try this out at home. Leave us a comment down below if you tried it, how badly you burnt it the first time. Don't lie to us. And as always, guys, hook sets are free. Have a great night.
Peace out, Girl Scout.